Okay, for the second problem, very similar to the first problem. Okay, we have a particle moving along the x-axis, so its position at any time is given by x of t. So they've given us x of t. So part A says to find v of t. Well, they gave us x of t, which is t cubed minus 6t squared plus 12t plus 4. And the derivative of x of t is our v of t. So we take the derivative, and we get 3t squared minus 12t plus 12. Done. Part A is done. Part B. It says determine the intervals where the particle is moving to the right. Again, we're looking for velocity. So we just found v of t, which is 3t squared minus 12t plus 12. We need to find where it's positive and negative, so first we need to find the zeros. So we factor it, so we take out our 3 and we get this. And so it factors as x minus 2 and x minus, t. I'm going to do that forever. I always mix those up. And then that means that t equals 2 is our 0. So again, we're going to do this. T is 2 is 0. We'll test it, see the direction going. At time is 0, it's going in the positive direction. And at 3, it's also going in the positive direction. My velocity is positive and positive, so the direction is to the right, which means that my particle is moving to the right from 0 to 2 and from 2 to infinity. Now, why did I not include 2? Because we're talking about movement. When time is 2, I have 0 movement. I'm not moving to the left or to the right. I'm not moving at all. My velocity is 0. So you can't include that in your moving to the right. Okay? So be careful. Now, part C says to determine the acceleration. Well, part C, we already have velocity, which is 3t squared minus 12t plus 12, and the derivative of velocity is my acceleration. So when we take the derivative, we get 6t minus 12. Part C is done. Okay? Next, part D, it says determine the intervals in which the velocity of the particle is decreasing. Well, the velocity is decreasing when the acceleration is negative. Okay? So we start off with our acceleration, and we need to find when our acceleration is negative. So we set it equal to 0, because to find the negatives, we need to find zeros first. And we get t equals 2. That is when my acceleration is 0. So again, set up my number line at 2 is 0. We're going to test our acceleration. So at 0 acceleration, or at 0 time, the acceleration is negative. And at time equals 3, it's positive. So if we're talking about where the velocity is decreasing, it's where the acceleration is negative. So from 0 to 2. And again, you cannot include 0 or include 2.